Do you have a small pantry like mine? Well, organized correctly, a small pantry can pack a lot of punch. Check out this next pantry we just organized. A reach-in pantry is always a challenge to organize, especially in this case, where this pantry is almost 2 feet deep. With those high shelves, items get stuck in the far back and you lose track of what you have and end up overbuying. And then for those shelves and drawers that are more accessible, they become jam-packed and cluttered without a clear category for each drawer or shelf. So, the first step is to take everything out, and that's when we start sorting and categorizing. Here we sorted items into the baking category, then jars and cans, and then cereals and granolas, and then we got into the vitamins and supplements, pastas, legumes, and finally all those fun kids snacks like snack bars, chips, and cookies. The next step is to zone each category. Once you have a good idea of what the size of each category is, we then can assign shelves and drawers based on the simple organizing principles such as frequency of use and how it needs to be accessible for certain members of the family. Step 3 is to install organizing solutions and label. Now you can see what organizing solution can work best for this pantry. My favorite solution in a pantry like this are deep drawer bins that will keep items contained yet accessible in deep pantry shelves and drawers. You then want to label everything so everyone knows where items are and, more importantly, where everything goes back to. I hope this video has inspired you on how you too can organize your small pantry and maybe give you some ideas about how to access items in a deep pantry or keep all those snacks corralled and at the ready for your next snack time. If you like this video, I'd love it if you give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and click on that bell icon so you can be notified when I release my next organizing video. In the meantime, this is Cary Prince wishing you, from my home to yours, a very happy, organized day.